If you are in network marketing, real estate, or financial services and you want to expand your career, you want to grow your team, you want to produce more sales and earn millions of money, this video is for you. Because I'm gonna share with you an extremely powerful framework that I had been using for more than 18 years. And this framework helped me earn millions of money. And the best part is, I had been teaching this to a lot of people, my mentees, my students, and it's a proven framework. And this is what I call the 3 levels of activities. Level 1 activity is something that will surely bring you money. Ito yung less risky, pero sure na magbibigay sa'yo ng income. No leverage, but sure income. One major example is retail. So if you are in network marketing, pag nakabenta ka, walang direct leverage yun, pero sure may income ka. So that's level 1 activity. It's more on client acquisition. For the level 2 activity, it is more risky, hindi masyadong malaki yung income, pero magbibigay sa'yo ng leverage. An example is recruitment. So if you are in network marketing, you are selling insurance, or financial services, or maybe you are selling real estate, it's the recruitment day. It's the webinar. It's one-on-one table presentation, or one-to-many presentation. So ito yung nagpe-present ka na ng negosyo because you wanna recruit people. You want them to be part of your team. So it's more risky because you have to spend more time, more money, more effort, and mas mababa yung chance na makapagpa-join ka. Mas mababa yung chance na sumama sila sa team mo. So basically, hindi siya ganun kadali, pero may leverage. And level 3 activity is pure leverage. It's time for you to build. So the keyword here will be sell, recruit, build. Ang level 3, wala kang direct nakikitain, ikaw pa yung gumastos. So an example will be training, coaching, mentoring, bonding. Ito yung time na namumuhunan ka sa team mo. Ikaw yung gagastos, ikaw yung magpapakain, ikaw yung manlilibre, magpapa-event ka, magbibigay ka ng incentives. Pero dito na build yung team. Dito sila gagaling to produce sales, which is level 1. Or maybe to recruit more people, which is level 2. So this is actually connected. So since malinaw na sa inyo yung framework, paano mo siya gagamitin? If you want to become a multi-millionaire, if you want to expand your business and expand your team, every day, your goal is to do all 3 activities. Ang mahirap kasi sa iba, hindi nila kayang pagsabay-sabayin sa isang araw. May araw silang nakafocus sa pagbebenta, may araw silang nakafocus sa pagre-recruit, may araw silang nakafocus sa pagbe-build. But what if for the whole day, you can do everything at once? Or maybe structure your day para sure na may income, sure na may recruit, at sure na nakakapag-build ka din. That's the purpose of this video. For you to understand how to structure your day doing all 3. So I'm gonna share with you how I do it. So nung nagsisimula pa lang akong magnegosyo, I'm doing traditional business. So we are selling Divisoria products. Chinchan Subi, Elecrim, Katingko, Jowly Cream, Mena, shampoo ng kabayo. Tapos nung time na yung uso pa yung cell cards, tapos may e-load, tapos cellphone accessories. Cellphone, sobrang lakas pa ng Nokia. So bottom line, meron ako mga tindahan, meron ako mga pwesto. And then, I'm doing network marketing on the side. So, sa traditional business, doon ako natuto magbayad ng rent, mas maging responsable. At ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, magtipid at mag-handle ng pera. Kasi natutunan ko sa traditional business, yung pera ng negosyo, hindi mo lahat pera. So, kung may 100,000 kang puhunan, at pag napaikot mo siya, naging 150,000, hindi mo pera yung 150,000. Ibabalik mo yung 100,000 na puhunan mo sa negosyo, the principal amount. And then, ibabawas mo pa yung expenses mo. Lahat ng operational expenses mo. Yung renta, yung taxes, yung tubig, yung sweldo, yung mga damages, marketing tools mo. Kasi noong araw, usong-uso yung flyers and brochures. At pagkarami-raming piniprint at pinamimigay. So kasama sa costing mo yun. Yung matitira doon, yun lang yung income mo. And if you want to expand your business, you have to reinvest your money in the business. So ngayon, basically, kahit marami akong tindahan, parang walang natitira sa akin. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko naman yung network marketing. Kasi anong nangyari, lahat ng income ko doon, solo ko. Na-enjoy ko siya kasi wala akong masyadong expenses. Ang expenses ko lang, pamasahe, pangkain, nanlibre pa ako ng tao. Which is good. Ang focus ko lang is maging magaling magbenta. And then na-realize ko, hindi pwedeng ako lang yung nagbebenta. Kaya nagkaroon ng level 2. Na kahit marami kami nagbebenta, kung ako lang yung magaling, hindi rin tatakbo yung negosyo. Kaya merong level 3 activities. So to make sure nakakain ako, to make sure na may income ako, paggising ko pa lang sa umaga, nagbebenta na ako ng produkto. Nagpe-prepare agad ako ng produkto. So magte-text ako sa client ko, tatawagan ko, and most of the time, I just show up. Kasi nga, hindi pa uso yung internet, hindi pa uso yung messenger. At lahat ng binebentahan ko, kabisado ko yung araw nila. Kabisado ko yung gising nila, kabisado ko yung structure nila. And my strategy was, bago sila mamalengke, bago maubos yung pera nila, binebentahan ko na ng produkto. Kasi alam ko rin kung kailan mauubos yung products nila. So since napakainit sa Pilipinas, umagang-umaga pa lang inuuna ko na yung pagbebenta ng products. Bago dumating ang tanghali, may panggalaw na ako, may pangkain na ako, buhay na ako. In reality, sa sobrang dami ng benta, pwede na akong magpahinga. Which means anything I do afterwards will be addition to my business. Here's the problem with most people. Yung level 1 mo, tanghali na, hapon na. Ito worse, baka gabi na. How about level 2 and level 3? Especially kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, yung iba wala pang income, wala pang team, inaaral mo na paano mag-coach. Ito mahirap sa iba, wala kang benta, wala kang panggalaw, wala ka pang team, pero gusto mo nang mag-coach. Gusto mo na agad magturo. Nagtuturo ka kaagad ng kung ano-ano sa mga tao, hindi mo pang napuprove sa sarili mo. So your job is to learn and apply it. Use it. Use the knowledge. Basically, just get things done. So kung yung level 1 activity mo, hapon mo na nagagawa, and the rest of the day wala ka nang nagagawa, don't expect na yayaman ka kaagad. Don't expect results. Don't expect na lalaki yung team mo. Because you are already late. So again, pagdating ng tanghali, I will have a good lunch. And most of the time, yun yung unang kain ko kasi sa sobrang excited kong magbenta ng produkto. Minsan hindi na ako nakakakain. That's the reality. Naranasan mo na bang maglaro ng mga games like Dota, Run Online, Ragnarok? That was during my time. Pero ngayon ata, ML na yung tawag, Heroes of New World, League of Legends, or whatever. Di ba pag excited kang maglaro, excited kang manalo, excited kang mag-level up, umagang-umaga pa lang, hindi ka pa kumakain, naglalaro ka na. I want you to play the game of business that way. Just like in any other game, the more that you play the game of business, the more that you're gonna get good at it. At pag gumaling ka na, dyan ka nakikita ng bonggang-bongga. So balik tayo. So ngayon, after ko mag-lunch, nagsaset na ako ng schedules ng level 2 para maka-recruit. Since may panggalawa ko, may pera na ako, may panlibre na ako, may pang table talk na ako, may budget na ako Alam naman natin sa recruitment, kailangan din nating mamuhunan. And let's assume na nagsisimula ka palang magnegosyo. Let's assume na nagsisimula ka palang sa network marketing or sa career na ginagawa mo. So after client acquisition, it's time to recruit. It's time to grow your team. Get more people to be part of your team. So pagdating ng gabi, level 3 na. So again, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, wala ka pang team, wala ka pang nare-recruit, you focus on learning. Level 3, kung wala ka pang i-mentor, wala ka pang i-coach, then mentor yourself. Coach yourself. Write, learn, grow. Kailangan matuto ka muna para pagdating ng team, pag dumating na yung grupo mo, kaya mo nang i-handle. And let's just say you will do this over and over. Of course, dadami lalo yung benta mo. Makakapag-build ka ng relationship sa mga customers mo. And then makaka-recruit at makaka-recruit ka. Kasi pag paulit-ulit mong ginagawa, gagaling ka. Mas matututo ka. So again, pag nakaka-recruit ka na, kapag may team ka na, kapag may downline ka na, may sales agents ka na, meron ka ng mga tao under your organization, tuturuan mo na sila ngayon. So what I do is I monitor my day. Kinikwento ko sa kanya yung araw ko. Hinihimay ko sa kanya yung ginagawa ko. At bibigyan ko siya ng specific instruction ano yung gagawin niya bukas. The problem with leaders now is they always try to motivate. Sa network marketing, ang tawag nila, binabaliw yung downline. Ang problema, yung downline mo, pag binaliw mo lang, pero walang action plan, hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. Gigising yan na baliw, inspired, motivated, pero hindi alam ang gagawin. So you also have to give them an action plan. Ibigay mo muna yung instruction. Kailangan specific ka muna sa structure na ibibigay mo sa kanila. And what you can do, ito yung ginagawa ko, sinasama ko sila sa activities ko. So pag nagbenta ako ng product, sinasama ko para matuto silang magbenta. And then pagdating ng level 2 sa tanghali o hapon, pwedeng may invite sila, ako maglalatag. Ako mag-explain, ako ang magpe-present. Para natututo sila kung paano ako mag-present. Iba kasi yung tinuturo mo sa tao, this is the way to present. Iba yung ikaw mismo naririnig nila kung paano ka mag-present. It's you as the leader in action. And then right after the presentation, I will do a level 3. Hihimayin ko sa kanya kung paano ko nilatag yung negosyo. Kung paano ako nag-present. Ilalatag ko sa kanya yung framework at yung sistema ng ginagawa ko para mas matuto siya. And then pagdating ng gabi, as usual, magdi-dinner, kakain, magbabanding, magkikwentuhan. And most importantly, i-build ko na siya as a leader like me. I-duplicate ko na yung sarili ko. At i-review namin yung maghapon. Ano yung mga maling nangyari? So we can break those patterns and we will also recognize what works so that we can duplicate it. And then I'm gonna do it over and over hanggang dumadami na sila nakasama ko. Pag sobrang dami na nila, that's the time na magbibuild na ako ng leadership structures. Na kailangan makapag-build ako ng mga leaders, ng mga general na gagawin din yung ginagawa ko. And the idea is everyday, kailangan from level 1 to level 3 activity, meron ka. Now, here's another key idea. Na-notice ko na sobrang dami na yung nabebentahan ko ng produkto. Of course, we have this judgment na yung mga product users hanggang users na lang. Tandaan nyo guys, yung mga product user, yun ang pinakamabilis na maging pusher ng products, okay? Because you have to be the byproduct of your own products. Dapat produkto ka ng produkto mo. Ang kagandahan do sa mga product users, sila ang produkto ng produkto. Mas madali sa kanilang magbenta. So, ibig sabihin, from a level 1 activity, if you can build a solid relationship with your customers, you can turn the level 1 to level 2 if you will do your follow-up. So pag finalo up mo sila, pwedeng yung dati mong binebentahan maging downline mo. Pwedeng yung dati mong binebentahan maging agent mo, especially if they fell in love with the products. And then you have to do a lot of level 3. Sa mga leaders dyan, naiintindihan ko, magastos, nakakapagod, mapupuyat ka, tapos magkikwit lang pala. I understand perfectly. I had been there many times. That's the price we have to pay as leaders. But you have to monitor your team para alam mo sino yung pwede mong tutukan at sino yung potential leader. Ngayon, you can also set daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly structures. Meaning, pag sobrang laki na ng team mo, pwede kang maglaan ng isang buong araw for the whole company, for the whole team, just for recruitment, just for selling. At syempre, pwede ka rin maglaan ng araw for level 3, bonding, awarding, incentives. Minsan nga may mga incentives pa na tumatagal ng 7 days. Either way, the framework I share with you is extremely doable. You just have to use it. Sobrang dali niya at sobrang simple niya. Ang kagandahan dito sa framework na to guys, ang daling ipasa, ang daling matutunan. Now yung example na shinare ko sa inyo, that was that time na hindi pa uso ang content creation. So I want you to imagine creating structures around this. Level 1, level 2, level 3 activities using all the tools, using social media, using online marketing, using Zoom, video calls, webinars. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Mas madaling gawin yung level 1 to level 3 kasi pwede mo siyang gawin online. Pwede mong i-mix. So ang dali, kung gipit ka, edi level 1 ka muna. At kung kaya mo, level 2 ka. Ito kagandahan. Ngayon, pwede ka nang mag-level 2 nang walang gastos. Pwede ka nang mag-level 2 with a phone and an internet. So if you are watching this video right now, you can do level 2 nang walang gastos. Kasi may internet ka, may cellphone ka. Ito yung good news. You can also do level 3 online. So wala ka ng excuse. If you will use this framework and leverage all the tools available for you, you will become a millionaire this year. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember that all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Again, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.